Hi, it's a cooking show now. Today we're going to make Uncrustables. So first you're going to need some bread. Always a good idea to not get the end piece here. Honestly, I'm not that big, so I just need one slice, but you can use two. So the first thing to any Uncrustable is you're going to want some peanut butter and some jelly. Let's start with the peanut butter. You're going to want to open it. Then you're going to grab a spoon. You're going to want to get a big old scoop and get there in the middle of your working space. I'm going to be just using half of this, so I'm just going to put it on the side there. It's not really coming out that well. I'm going to need an assistant here. Grabbing the knife early. Science. Okay. Now always secure your tools. Keep the space clear. Looks clear. Okay, got the jelly. Really should have a clean spoon. That's good peanut butter. That's the ratio I personally prefer. Now, you're really going to want to smush that down. You can put the spoon aside at this point. Here comes the most important part. Now, always cover your tools, move them aside, and flatten it. Yeah, right there. Gets out the back muscles too. And then, of course, any Uncrustable is going to have no crust. almost perfect, there is one very important part of the Uncrustable experience: freezing it ahead of time. Okay, there we go. That'll be okay in like, I don't know when I'll remember about that. Maybe tomorrow. Bye.